And then over here, just got done putting the engine in that we're gonna be running in the Pro Mod. I picked these up where I was in Missouri from Craig. Dynamic headers. We are gonna get the Pro Charger deal going on here, and still got to move the rack. You got to get the rack up under where the transmission goes right there. It's a tight fit. You can imagine this rack was up here. Now it's going to be down and back toward the back. So some modifications there. Then the side panels here, that all has to be modified on the ground there, and then the holes filled in and stuff. So strut arms have to be made. There's still quite a bit to do here on the Pro Mod, but goal here is we have to have it running in the next few weeks and done. So a couple modifications on the inside. Right there we got our new flywheel from Azir. These guys are awesome. And the brow bell housing has to go back. The starter location is wrong. So all little things add up to big things. Things that have to get done quickly. Time is of the essence. So anyway, stay tuned. Keep an eye on things, on the YouTube channel.